Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to reset Apple Pay wallet. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so on every iPhone there's going to be the wallet application pre-installed on your iPhone. So I also have it. You should have it on your home screen as well. So first of all, you just have to open it up, and then you have to just click on the plus icon and add an Apple Wallet account. I haven't done it, so once you have added your Apple Wallet account here, there will be an option to click on it. So then just click on it, then just go to settings and reset it. Alternatively, you can also go to Apple Pay on the apple.com website, sign in into your Apple Pay account, and go to the settings and reset your Apple Pay card. So yeah guys, this is Apple Pay wallet, by the way. So this is how you do it guys. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.